Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty and it's Sunday, Family Fun Day, and my favorite thing to do on Sundays is feed my family. Of course, we love rolling out all different kinds of snacks throughout the day. Pick-ons, appetizers, they are always what I go to, and one of my most simple treats is kielbasa, cut up and put in the air fryer. They plump up so delicious, and I'm going to show you my Betty's must-have mustard sauce. I forget who named it that one on one of our lives. This sauce, did you get up close to this here? Is this called mustard sauce? What should we call it?
Betty's must-have mustard sauce.
Who said that?
Kevin Klein.
Kevin Klein. But this sauce is a keeper for not only this, but your smash burgers, your juicy fat burgers, and chicken sandwiches. You're gonna love this sauce. So let me show you how we do it. Okay guys, it's Sunday, Family Fun Day at my house, and I love serving up food throughout the whole day so everybody can just kind of graze. I love pick-ons and appetizers. One of my go-tos is always keeping kielbasa on hand. You can either cut this up and fry it right on your Blackstone Griddle, serve it up, and it's always the first thing to go, but I love making it in the air fryer. Same with hot dogs. If you've never done it, you're gonna love how plump and juicy they fry up in the air fryers. And of course, I'm gonna show you my Betty's must-have mustard sauce that I serve with these, and also my smash burgers, juicy fat burgers, my chicken sandwiches. You're gonna love this sauce, so let's jump right into it. We'll start with a large mixing bowl. To that, I'm gonna add in about a cup of Duke's mayo. We love Duke's because it's got that twang. That I'm gonna add in some regular mustard. This is gonna give it that nice tangy flavor. Next up, our stone ground mustard. Stone ground mustard is one of my favorites. I love the way that this pops in your mouth. It's so delicious. Next up, some Dijon mustard. We'll season everything up with a little bit of garlic powder, a little onion powder. We'll add to that some pickle juice. I love boar's head pickles so much. I love the fact that they add carrots to their mixture. This is gonna help thin out our sauce and give it that nice back flavor of pickle. We'll give this a whisk until smooth, and then we'll slide this aside and get to our kielbasa. We're gonna preheat our Blackstone air fryers to the medium setting, which is between 375 and 425. We'll slice up our kielbasa into bite-sized pieces, since this is an appetizer. Add it to our preheated air fryer drawers and let them hang out in there and crisp up on the outside and get nice and plump. Make sure to check your kielbasa every few minutes. Give it a little shimmy shake so that they cook evenly. While we wait for that, let's get our sauce plated up into a little dipping bowl. And in a second dipping bowl, I'm going to use the leftover sauce to make a second sauce, just a little different by zhuzhing it up with a little local honey. I love using honey with mustard because obviously we're making a honey mustard, so this one is a little bit sweeter versus our first. After about 10 minutes, they just look so delicious. I'm gonna plate these up, and this is done. These are always on the menu for every single Sunday Fun Day. Every party that we have, I am always sure to serve up the air fried kielbasa bites, and the mustard sauces just make these even better. Don't forget, these mustard sauces are perfect for any smash burger or juicy burger, chicken sandwiches, to dip your fries. The possibilities are endless. You can store this sauce in one of your Blackstone squirt bottles, leave it in the fridge. It will last just as long as all of your condiments do. Now go make this and try it, whether it's on some air fried or griddled up kielbasa bites or on your favorite Blackstone cook. Either way, we can't wait to see you guys making it. Post a picture, tag Blackstone products, tag Blackstone Betty. I can't wait to see your family and friends enjoying this as much as we do here at my house. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.